Hi, I'm Brent Wagner. I've been working for Guardian Roofing for 17 years. I think my best memories over the 17 years is moving from a small rundown house to where we are now and helping all the people that we have helped. I like working for Guardian because I like helping people, and it's also helped my family in many ways. What kept me here for so long was Matt and Lori, everything they do for all the employees, the knowledge they give you, the training they give you to be your very best. I would tell a new employee you can get great support and great success if you're willing to put in the work. Everybody's welcome. It's a very family-oriented company that makes you feel good at the end of the day. I really enjoy working for Guardian Roofing because it's always challenging, rewarding, and so much fun helping people find the best solution for their home.